Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Ashika Singh. I'm a second year student right now. Most of the people don't like heavy makeup, but they love looking, glowy kindish. I'm going to teach you today that how to do a subtle makeup for your college or outing or hangout. It can be anything. So we are going to create a no makeup look with a very few makeup items. Okay, get one foundation for yourself. I'm using Lakme, a sponge, get a sunscreen. My favorite part of makeup is blush. I mean, this is the best blush you can ever get. Swiss Beauty. Very important thing that I cannot live without. Brown lip liner, bro. It is just too good. Get a mirror if you are shooting a video like me. Got a Lakme SR1 lipstick. This is red in color. It's not completely red. It's not like vampire red. It's a subtle red. If you are a eyeliner and kajal person, you can wear that too, or else no need. I am a mascara and a eyeliner person, so yeah. A very valuable tip: if you have got sponge, make sure you wet and squeeze all the water out. So a wet sponge. What should I tell that? Because it helps you blend your makeup so good, so eventual. Okay, do that before doing anything. For the first time, I'm doing my makeup without, the big mirror. It's like using a small mirror. It's so tough. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but the practice has made me one. So, dab your foundation first, then try to mix it wherever you need it. I mean, you should mix all over your face, bro. Come on, it's a common sense. See, you can use even concealer if you want, but make sure before using foundation, you have to use the concealer, then cover it up with the foundation. Okay, I'm done with the foundation and look at the base. You can see no difference between my own skin and the foundation. The skin is not that oily, so I'm not applying powder. Okay, you can apply powder if your skin is oily because it helps to set the foundation in the right place. And make sure you choose the foundation which suits your skin tone. Please do not use anything whatever you want just because you have it. Now I'm going to use a blush. Okay, I love blush. I'm using the liquid one because liquid stays for longer. How you blend it. This side blush is too much than this side. So what are we going to do? Dora the Explorer. साइड के चीक में ज्यादा ब्लश इस साइड के चीक से ज्यादा लग रहा है. जी हाँ, क्योंकि मैं अंधी नहीं हूँ. डोरा है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम करेंगे इस साइड का ब्लश ज्यादा. क्या अब आप ज्यादा बंदर लग रहे हैं? हाँ. I will take an eyebrow brush. Ta-da! Just comb your eyebrows. I do that. I love combing my eyebrows. अब देखो, अब लग रहा है ना ब्राउनी. तुम बोलोगे ये तो सब्टल मेकअप हुआ नहीं, ब्लश तुमने ज्यादा लगा लिया. ब्लश लगाओ यार. It's been my favorite since 2 years. हालत में अगर तुम्हारे पास रेड cheeks हो ना, you're like a pari flying in the sky. How to apply correctly is first. Apply a moisturizer, or the serum, After serum, apply moisturizer, then, apply sunscreen, then foundation, then go with, what do we say? Either you can go with blush first because if you want to do eyeliner, you need a good base on your eyes. So go with blush, then go with eyeliner, then go with mascara, and then go with lips. Lips at the last. It looks amazing. Okay, I have already applied in the beginning itself the moisturizer and the sunscreen. Let's apply. ये आंख में अच्छा है ना. अब देखना इसमें हगूंगी मैं. मैंने इस आंख में हग दिया. This was nice. Eyeliner should look good on you. That's it. No matter how dumb or shit you have made onto your eyes. If you will ask me, how did you learn to wear mascara, bro? Practice makes a man and a woman perfect. Don't give up.
I just don't even care anymore.
अजीबा दिख नहीं रहा ना. नहीं दिखेगा, है ही नहीं. Now you look the overall face look. उसने कहा प्लीज, मैंने कहा नो, उसने कहा प्लीज, मैंने कहा ओके। अब कोई एक टांग पे खड़ा होकर कुछ मांगे तो हम उसको मना कैसे कर सकते हैं? कहाँ से हो तुम लोग मेरे? नहीं नहीं, दूर ही रहो। अब तुम ये कहोगे कि तुम इसको ऐसे छोड़ दो। लिप्स आर नॉट योर एक्स कि तुम उसको कभी भी छोड़ दो। लिपस्टिक मेरे पास सारे ब्रांडेड, and no one can say that you can't apply because all of the shits were bought by my own money. Oh my god, how I'm going to look so good on this. I mean, I'll blend it. I'll blend it. अभी उससे ये कैसे हुआ नो मेकअप मेकअप? यही होता है नो मेकअप मेकअप लुक। The girl is ready to go out. Feeling bonita. That is it, guys. This is how you do a makeup. Okay. भले तुम्हारा सामान बिखरा क्यों ना पड़ा, ठीक है, जो मैंने सिखाया अच्छे से फॉलो करो and you will look bonita. That is it for today's vlog, guys. अगर तुम्हें ऐसे vlogs ज्यादा चाहिए तो मत बोलना, ठीक है? मैं बार बार मेकअप नहीं कर सकती।